The other major benefit of using Security Review is the reporting. There's a big pet peeve of mine when it comes to reporting, especially for threat modeling and security design reviews, is that people expect a single report to be relevant to everybody. And that is not really true. If I am a penetration tester and I'm looking at a threat modeling report, I don't make much sense of it simply because it's not relevant to me. Whereas if I am an executive or a business executive or a member of senior management, I will again not make sense of a threat modeling report. I need to get something in my language, catered to my specific requirements. So one of the cool things that we've done with SecurityReview.ai is the ability to generate role-based reports. So for instance, you can say that who are you generating this for? Are you generating this for a security tester? And if you do, it will create a report for that role. So in this case, it's going to generate a test case and testing report or an offensive security test case report for a security tester, or in other cases for a senior manager or for an implementer or for a security engineer and so on. So you can generate different reports to be able to cater to different people's needs. And that's one of the cool things with Security Review. And since it's an AI native product, the ability to introduce flexibility in this is huge. Our agents in the back are able to flexibly handle the requirements of different types of roles for the reports, which is very, very important. You can't just give them one dump of the threat modeling report or the security design report and expect them to figure it out. They need to actually have very specific reports tailored for them that actually make a lot of sense. So in a few minutes, it's generated a specific report for a security tester. And you'll see that this is a report that I can just literally hand off to my penetration tester or security tester, offensive security tester, and they can validate each and every test case. So in fact, it says that these are the threats, go ahead and test them for all of these different, based on all of these different test cases with pass-fail criteria and so on. You can literally export that to Markdown, DOCX, PDF, or you can push it to a Confluence page because we have integrated Confluence into this particular project. And these are persistent reports. They stay in the project and you can just create. In fact, there's another one for senior management where it says this is the executive summary. These are the key security objectives. These are the threats, and these are the recommendations that we believe can help you achieve the maximum ROI from this particular security design review. So this is something that you can do as well. On top of that, you can also generate specific compliance reports. So based on how you have mapped, what kind of compliance you have mapped in the project, you can generate compliance specific reports. So in this case, we're going to be generating a PCI-DSS specific compliance report, and you'll see that it says that these are the requirements of PCI-DSS that are relevant. These are the security objectives that are mapped, and these are the countermeasures that if you put in, they would automatically be mapping against PCI-DSS and the specific requirements of PCI-DSS. So you will see that you can generate different types of reports for roles and compliance and based on all of these different parameters. So this is something that makes Security Review really powerful because within about 30 minutes, you are able to not only get a highly consistent methodology driven security design review, but you are also given multiple reporting options, multiple export options, integrations in terms of being able to link up with multiple tools that will make life a lot easier simply because it directly integrates with the developer's workflow. So that's where security review really wins, and we are able to do things much faster. So that was my quick introduction of security review. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.